Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprise Let's Play. Okay, today we're going to be opening the Rainbow High New Friends Series 1, and I am really excited because these dolls are different body types. So, we have 3 different body types to open, and I'm really excited. So, without further ado, let's get them unboxed.
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think.
Okay, everything is unboxed and out of their package. And just look how cute they are. I'm going to lower this a little bit. Okay, no, that's not staying. Here we go. There we go. Just lowered it a little bit. Like, look how cute they are. This is a selfie stick, but hey, you guys. She's tall, she's medium, and then she's short. So anyways, here are the dolls. I think they're so cute and they're so beautiful. I absolutely love this purple one. I love her hair. Like, just look at these curls, these ringlets. She's so soft. And then the other girls have really great hair too. She's got some curls in her hair, which would look beautiful brushed out. Of course, rinse it first. I don't think I'm going to rinse this doll's hair. No, I think I'm going to leave her hair how it is. And then this doll, I'm definitely going to rinse her hair. But her hair is so cute, like it's in a half up. Like not a half up, but like just the bangs are partial up. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I don't know if I'm going to leave that, take it out. I don't know. I really love it. So we'll see. But I think these are just little goggles. I'm not quite sure. But I want to show you guys one doll at a time and all of their accessories. So this doll came with this little dog named Bubblegum. I think it's a dog. It looks like a dog. It looks just like Paris Hilton's dog, honestly. So here she is with her dog. So she comes with a stand, which she is on, and a comb in her color. She also has this pretty little like blush or eyeshadow palette. It looks more like a blush palette to me, even though there's yellow in there. I think that's probably for underneath your eyes. So it's like a contour palette. And then this, oh yeah, little notes on my hand. The note, it says, name your thoughts. I had therapy today, and if you guys want to go more into mental health stuff, we can. But you'll have to let me know in the comments below. So here's this fuzzy little ball. It's really cute. It has a RH on it for Rainbow High. She also comes with this pretty lipstick that comes open. I think that's fun. And it's the color that she does have on her lips. And then she comes with this beautiful heart bag that I think is absolutely adorable. I wish I had one for myself, especially because it's cute little like cushions. Then she also comes with a selfie stick and a cell phone. The cell phone says Sparkle. I don't want to take it off the selfie stick because I want it to stay on there. So anyways, it's a picture of her and her dog. Oh, it looks like she's recording, and she's 15 minutes and 20 seconds in. So that's nice. She must be filming something awesome. So let's go over the doll. The doll is really cute. I think her hips are thicker than Rainbow High. I could be wrong. Let me grab a regular Rainbow High doll to compare to. So let's grab Sunny. Okay, so she is thicker. Her hips are thicker. So here's a regular Rainbow High doll, and then here is Pinkley. Her hips are quite bigger. Here, let's show from the back. Oh, look at her bum. She's got a booty. So here's her body. I think that's really cute. They're kind of shaped like LOL's bodies. So that's really cute. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. I was thinking maybe we can take their clothes off. But I don't want them all naked. Ooh. She's got some titties. I mean, obviously, if she's thicker, she's got some titties. You know what? We're going to keep this rated. We're going to keep this rated G. I know you can take the clothes off yourself, but, I mean, I will have a lot to say about these dolls. And I know this is an adult channel, but we're going to keep it G. I'm sorry. If you guys want to see their bodies undressed, go watch Ex Canadensis. She takes all their clothes off. So anyway, so let's talk more about Pinkley. So she is the thicker body. It's kind of hard to tell with her little frilly outfit that she's wearing, but here is her face mold. She's absolutely beautiful. Her lips are a little bit wonked, but that's all right. I love a little wonky lip. I've got kind of that. Look, look. So anyway, yeah, so here is Pinkley. I think she's beautiful. She has a few colors in her hair. She's got like peachy, pink, orange, and she's got really cute nails. I absolutely love her nails. They're not too long. They're like perfect length. This is like about the length I do my nails, but I do mine with like stiletto. That's what it's called, stiletto. So, and then please ignore that knocking in the background. It's a stupid woodpecker and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm not gonna hurt it. I'm not gonna shoot it with a BB gun. I'm not gonna shoot it with anything. So yeah, you know, we're gonna leave it the way it is and we're just gonna ignore it. So I forgot to show you guys her shoes. They're really cute. They're like jelly heels with a little RH on the top. I think they're really cute. Honestly, I want some like that. Look at them, they're like a sandal. Cute. Okay. And then let's go over, I'm not sure this doll's name. So her name is Blue, B-L-U, Brooks. And she's so cute. She's a shorty like me. I'm 5'2". Shout out to the shorties. If you're shorter than me, yay. If you're taller than me, yay also. Like, height is great. I love all the different heights. That's what makes people like more exciting. So, that's what's cool about these dolls. Honestly, like, look at them, you guys. They're perfect. I wish I could get out of frame. There. So, yeah. Here's these dolls. I think they're really beautiful. Let's go over Blue. I want to start off with her shoes. Like, look. Those are so cute. I think they're absolutely adorable. I want a pair like this. And then look at her socks. She's got some stripy socks. I love the shoes and socks mix. Like, that's how I dress all my dolls. Oh, and speaking of how I dress my dolls, I restyle all my dolls with you guys on lives. So if you want to see a restyle, comment below restyle and we will talk about when we're going to go live. Stay on my community page. Check for updates, photos, things like that to see when we're going to go live together. And you guys get to help me dress up these dolls. So it's really fun. All the way from the jewelry to the shoes to the socks. It's really fun. Like all these dolls behind me are all dressed by you guys. So anyways, if you want to see a restyle, comment restyle. But anyways, let's talk more about Blue. So we're going from toe to head. So, oh, her earrings though. Look at those earrings. Oh, I want a pair. They're getting better and better with these dolls. Like, they've always been phenomenal, but they're just getting better. Look at these dolls. Ah! I love them. Okay. Ooh, my gosh. Her shirt underneath her little... Look at this shirt. So, I don't know what to call this, like an overall dress. But look at her shirt, you guys. That is so cool. I love it. This is rainbow. It's a little crop top. Oh, so cute. That's a fun little extra we get. So she looks thicker too than the regular body, which I like. Oh no, she's attached to her dress too. We forgot to go over her stuff. So when we're done going over the doll, we'll go over her stuff. Sorry that I'm kind of all over the place. Like I said, I just got off of work. So my mind's a little like, woo. I work in customer service. I work retail and plants. Yay. Pumpkin season. So people are buying lots of pumpkins. So she comes with this little cast. It says, get well soon, XOXO, cat emoji, rainbow, shine on, and it does come off. So you can take off her cast. Look at her nails. See, this is more how I do my nails, except for more stiletto-y. These are like oval, but still closer to my style. And then we talked about her earrings, so let's go over her face mold. Look at her face. She's so pretty. I love the blue. I love her brows. Her lips look perfect to me. The smile is a little off on this side, but that's all right. She doesn't need to be perfect. I don't need my dolls to be perfect. I like them to be as perfect as possible, but they don't need to be perfect. Okay, so this doll comes with a pair of headphones. Super cute. She also comes with a skateboard that the wheels really go. It says rainbow on the bottom. I think that's really cute. She also comes with the stand that she's on and this comb that is in her color. She also comes with this little takeaway box because, you know, you got to have your takeaway food. And this Rainbow High Gatorade looking bottle, which doesn't say Gatorade on it. It says, come on. Rainbow water. Rainbow water? Rainbow water. There we go. Rainbow water. Yeah. So anyways, that is Blue Brooks. Let's go over Lilac Lane. So Lilac Lane comes with really cool stuff. Like, look at this. They're little like test tubes. And then she has a little beaker. Like, look. Ah, so cute. And then she has this cute little bag. Sorry, I had an itchy nose. She comes with this cute little bag. These glasses, I think they're the chemist glasses. I don't think they're her glasses. And then she has a book and a pen so she can write down her notes. So I think she does chemistry. Let's see if Lilac Lane says. So Pinkley is fashion design focused. Lilac Lane is fashion design focused. And Blue Brooks is fashion design focused. Whatever. Anyways, let's go over the doll. So she is a lot taller than your regular normal Rainbow High doll. So here's a regular Rainbow High doll and here's Lilac. So cute. See, she's taller. So I think that's really awesome. I love how we're getting a variety of heights. I love this line, the New Friends line. I think it's really cute. So we'll start from shoes to head. Look at these heels. Those are so cute. I didn't know if those were ribbons or rhinestones, but they are rhinestones, and I think they're really cute. And then there's ribbons up top. I just thought these were ribbons like intertwined here, but they're rhinestones. And they're also a stiletto. And she has some socks that are resemblant of Becca, that's my coworker, Bella. And then look at her cute skirt she has. Oh, it's attached. That is unfortunate. I have to clip it. Here we go. So she has this really cute skirt. And then the sweater, that's just a sweater with a little collar. It is attached this way. And here's her nails. Oh, cute. See, I love the way they're doing their nails now. I love this little sweater too. It's so cute. And then her face. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. You're so pretty. I think Lilac is probably my favorite. Oh, we didn't go over her earrings. Her earrings are just big pearls with little, like, rhinestone things at the bottom. Little diamonds. push her earring in a little bit more. They're coming out, but if her little glasses fit. There we go. See, here she is with her little glasses. Ah. So here we have our 3 dolls. And I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, comment below and click subscribe. Don't forget to comment restyle if you want to see that restyle and go live with us. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.